Very good morning, students. There is important topics from probability to ask in examination. Mainly, he is asking on three types of problems. So problems are coins, problems are dice, problems are balls. Successfully we completed how to find the probability by tossing a coins and also how to find the probability of given conditions by rolling a dice. So today I am going to explain problems on balls or marbles. Listen there. Here a bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. What is the one ball is selected randomly from the bag? What is the probability to get red color ball, to get not red color ball, to get black ball? So to find this, first of all, solution. One bag, it contains 5 red color balls, 3 red color balls and 5 black balls. Here number of black color balls are more than the red color balls. So here black color balls are more likely events, red color balls are less likely events. Now first we have to find total possible outcomes. Here, how many red color balls are there? Red color balls is equal to 3. Then how many black color balls are there? Black color balls is equal to 5. Total possible outcomes is equal to N of S. S means sample space. What is the meaning of sample space? Total possible outcomes are called sample space. Then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. What is the first question? To get red color ball. To find the probability of an event, I need 2 values. What are that? Number of favorable outcomes and total possible outcomes. Here already total possible outcomes are there. You have to find the number of favorable outcomes. To find probability of an event, I need 2 values. Probability is a ratio of number of favorable outcomes and also total possible outcomes. Here, number of favorable outcomes. So in that bag, how many red color balls are there? 3 red color balls. So N of E is equal to 3. Then probability of red color ball is equal to, what is the formula? N of E by N of S is equal to 3 by 8. So out of the 8 balls, there is 3 chances to get red color ball. Next one, to not red color ball. To get not red color ball. It means to get not red color ball means except red color. We can take another balls. So here red color balls and also black color balls. Not red color ball means we can take black color balls. Number of favorable outcomes is equal. So total 8 chances. So from that, what is asking? Not red color ball. It means remove the red color balls. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So there are 5 chances to get not red color ball. Then total possible outcomes is equal to 8. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. It is 5 by 8. Here is also one of the important question. A bag contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles. Here 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble taken out from the bag. What is the probability that ball to get red color ball, to get green color ball, to not get white color ball, to not get red color ball? First, before going to find the probability, first you have to find total possible outcomes. In the bag, 5 red color balls are there. Similarly, 8 white color balls are there. 4 green color balls are there. So in that bag, 5 red color balls, 8 white color balls, 4 green color balls. So total balls, T, total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 5, 17. So there are 17 chances. There are 17 chances to take one ball. What is the first question? To get red color ball. To get a red color ball. In that bag, how many red color balls are there? Only 5 red color balls are there. So, number of favorable outcomes to E. E means an event is equal N of E is equal to there are 5 red color balls. There are 5 red color balls. Then total possible outcomes is equal N of S is equal. There are 17 chances to take one ball from that bag. So P of E is equal N of E by N of S. N of E means 5 by 17. So there are 5 chances to take red color ball from the bag. To get green color ball. Number of favorable outcomes is equal N of E is equal. So in that bag, how many green color balls are there? 4 green color balls are there. So N of A is equal to 4. Then after total possible outcomes, N of S is equal to 17. Then P of E is equal N of E by N of S is equal 4 by 17. There are 4 chances to take green color ball from the bag. What about third question? To not get white ball. Number of favorable outcomes is equal. To not get white ball means in the bag only 3 colors are there. What are that? Red color, green color and white color. So not white means except white. We can take red color ball or we can take green color ball. What is asking? To not get white color ball. Except white color ball you can take any one ball. So in that bag 3 colors are there. So from the 3 colors he didn't want white. So remaining there is a chance to take green color ball and also red color ball is equal. So total how many? 5 red color balls are there and 4 green color balls are there. From the total 17 balls. Total 17 balls are there. From that 17 balls, he didn't want white color. So subtract the white color balls. 17 minus 8 is equal 9. Total possible outcomes is equal N of S is equal to 17. So what is the formula? P of E is equal N of E by N of S is equal to 9 by 17. So there are 9 chances to not get white color ball. So next question, to get green color ball. So in that bag, number of favorable outcomes. In that bag only 4 green color balls are there. So total possible outcomes is equal to 17. P of E is equal N of E by N of S is equal to 4 by 17. So this is the tomorrow's homework. A bag contains 10 green color balls, 12 red color balls, 13 pink color balls. What is the probability to get red color ball, pink color ball and not green color ball?